I'm Mari, your friendly neighborhood explainer of things that probably shouldn't keep you up at night, but now definitely will. Today's topic: what if the moon suddenly disappeared? Like, gone, vanished, yeeted from the sky. No warning, no explosion, no ominous alien tractor beam. Just poof. One moment you're admiring a lovely full moon, the next, empty space. Now I know what you're thinking. Well, we still have the sun, right? And yes, congrats. We're not in total darkness. But don't pop the champagne just yet. The moon might just look like a pretty glowing rock hanging out in the sky, but its disappearance would mess up life on Earth in more ways than you'd expect. Let's start with the most immediate change: the tides. The moon is the main reason we have tides. Its gravity pulls on Earth's oceans, creating those beautiful and powerful waves that rise and fall twice a day. Without the moon, the tides wouldn't disappear completely. The sun also tugs at the oceans, but not nearly as effectively. So what we'd get is tiny, weak tides. Sad little ripples. Kind of like if the ocean forgot how to ocean. And this is a big deal, because tides aren't just for surfers and poets. They're crucial to marine ecosystems. Shoreline species like crabs, mussels, and sea turtles rely on the rhythm of the tides to survive and reproduce. Without strong tidal forces, entire food chains could collapse. So, step 1 of moon removal: ecological chaos. But it gets weirder. The moon doesn't just pull on the oceans. It pulls on us too. Or rather, it helps stabilize the Earth's axial tilt, the angle at which our planet spins. Right now, Earth tilts at about 23.5 degrees, which is why we have seasons. That tilt wobbles a little over time, but thanks to the moon, it stays relatively stable. Remove the moon, and that stability vanishes. Earth would start to wobble wildly, like a spinning top on its last few seconds. Over thousands to millions of years, our tilt could shift from almost 0 degrees, no seasons, permanent twilight zones, to a full 85 degrees, Arctic winter at the equator, anyone. Imagine a future where palm trees and penguins live on the same beach, not because of climate change, but because Earth is tumbling like a drunk at a roller disco. Speaking of long-term disasters, let's talk about the length of a day. Believe it or not, the moon has been acting like Earth's personal brake system for billions of years. Its gravitational pull causes something called tidal friction, which ever so slowly slows down Earth's rotation. That's why days used to be shorter. Back when dinosaurs were around, a day was only about 23 hours. Without the moon putting the brakes on us, Earth would stop slowing down. Over time, this could lead to shorter and shorter days. That might sound fun if you're trying to skip Monday faster, but ecosystems, sleep cycles, and weather patterns all rely on our 24-hour rhythm. Throw that off, and everything from migration to photosynthesis starts breaking down. It's jet lag, forever. Oh, and night. Forget about peaceful moonlit strolls. The moon reflects sunlight and gives us some light during the night. Without it, nights would be way darker, especially during the new moon phase, which, well, wouldn't exist anymore. Stargazing would improve dramatically, but so would the chances of walking into a tree. But here's the big one, and I'm not exaggerating. Human civilization may not have existed at all without the moon. The moon formed about 4.5 billion years ago, probably after a Mars-sized object smacked into baby Earth and splashed a chunk of molten debris into orbit. That chunk became the moon. And in the billions of years since, it's done us a lot of favors. Those stable tides and seasons, they gave life on Earth a nudge toward complexity. Evolution may have unfolded very differently, or much more slowly, without those lunar rhythms helping regulate early ecosystems. And let's be honest, no moon, no moonlight stories, no werewolves, no romantic walks by the ocean, no Apollo 11. Humanity's entire relationship with the cosmos would be less poetic, less curious even. The moon has been a symbol, a destination, a mystery. Its absence wouldn't just affect our planet physically. It would leave a giant emotional crater in our culture. Now, okay, maybe you're wondering, Mari, if the moon disappearing is so bad, What if we just built a new one? Great question. Very ambitious. But unless we can scoop up a quadrillion tons of rock and launch it into a perfect orbit 384,400 kilometers away, we're probably stuck with artificial tides and a calendar system that breaks every app on Earth. So, what's the takeaway? Be grateful for the moon. It's not just a background prop in the night sky. It's a cosmic anchor keeping our planet livable, balanced, and just the right amount of weird. If you see it tonight, give it a little wave. Maybe whisper thanks, just in case it's listening. And if someday you wake up and it's gone, grab a flashlight, find a stable surface, and prepare for a very bumpy ride. I'm Mari, and remember, the sky's not just decoration, it's infrastructure.